Don't, no! You got right in my eye! Look at what you did! I'm videotaping and he throws a snowball and gets it right in my face! You're bad! Don't throw anymore! I'm getting us having fun and you're throwing them right in my face!
Slippery. Careful.
I'm gonna bust my butt again. Say hey, Uncle Brennan. Hey, Uncle Brennan.
No swiping.
Uncle B.
There you go. There you go, Daddy.
Thank you, honey.
There you go.
Alright.
There you go, Daddy. Whoa.
Ice skating over
Stop. Well, Brennan likes it.
Whoa.
Alright.
Hey, we walked over there.
Now it's gonna be all wet.
Pretty. Hey! Bren, that's enough. Alright, I'm shutting off the camera.
At least not wearing anything see-through today.
You never told me. You never told me my skirt was see-through.
I was wearing some see-through dress yesterday with some pink underwear.
Hot pink underwear.
Don't get that on video. Okay, bye.
Bye-bye.